phone go crunch, and then the thunder was like bang. Like the phone went crackle, like it made a real crackling, crunchy noise. It's awesome. This is making video footage now. It's getting heavier. Oh my god!
Now this is what we call a storm, guys.
Oh my god, it's like the sky's falling. That's awesome.
Get back, they'll hurt you.
Unbelievable.
You don't need to pick them up.
Straight from see that starts right there in that lady's front lawn, right in front of her, and the rainbow goes straight over into the park. Look at the rainbow right in front of her.
Can I go touch the end of the rainbow?
No.
In front of her.
You get hit by lightning?
The rainbow's touching the ground in front of her house.
That is awesome.
I've never seen that in my whole life.
I want to go tell
Go to
my
the start of the
neighbour.
rainbow, and it goes over into the park.
That is
So you can see it so in front of those trees.
Yeah.
And it goes down across the road and it hits the ground right there on that front lawn. Oh my god, this is like big. It's not hailing anymore.
It's gonna hail
But it's still raining.
Alright, let's get a closer look at these hailstones.
This is the best day ever.
This is how big they are. They've been melting back all over the lawn.